'cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the forest set tonight alight. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. King Kong, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump off to the top of Braun. Ding dong, call me on my phone, I see and get my paintball.
Hello everybody, today's video is a closet clean out. So I have to move out of the UK soon and I can't bring my entire wardrobe with me. So I'm just gonna follow Marie Kondo and choose what sparks joy. Yeah, that's basically it. So this first outfit is a light gray t-shirt. I usually style it with a leather jacket. This is another Vans t-shirt. I bought it for £5 and it was really cool, and I just like the way it fits and feels on me. This t-shirt belongs to my grandfather and it's a University of California t-shirt. I wear it usually for my dance videos or practices. It's really comfy. This shirt my mom bought for me on Taobao, I think. I told her I really want a striped colored t-shirt to make me feel youthful, and she was like, okay, here you go. So I got the shirt. I love it. This is also my mom's actually. It's usually worn with a dress and it's just like a light cardigan, and it's usually worn in spring but dead flowers. Speaking of autumn, look at this beautiful bell sleeve shirt that my aunt got me from Hong Kong. It really gives me like old school vibes, and I usually wear it with my friends when we have like throwback to the 90s, 80s, 70s. And I usually wear it with like these wide length jeans or bell bottoms. Woo! Let's go. Alright, this beautiful striped long sleeve belongs to my good friend Cassie, who gave it to me. What I usually like to do is I like to wear long sleeve shirts underneath a simple dress. Now this I bought from Primark and I absolutely love the color. I love the color, and I usually wear it with these embroidered pants or these Uniqlo flare pants. It's really, really nice. Sometimes I would wear it with a green striped long sleeve. Kind of makes me feel like a dragon or something, or just a monster. Whoosh. Oh my gosh, I love the shirt. I got this from a thrift shop in Camden. It was quite expensive. It was like £20, but it really gives me like Friends vibes, you know, Phoebe. So no one told you life was gonna be this way. Clap, 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 clap. I also got this from the same thrift shop, and it's just a really long shirt. It makes me feel artsy. It's oversized, and I just really, really love the color. This shirt I got from Cotton On in Malaysia, and it made me feel cool, you know. I thought it was like a surfing shirt or like a racing car shirt. It's not. This I got from Urban Outfitters. I wore this for my K-pop in public challenge video, and it just makes me feel really edgy. This was the mesh top that I wore under it, and it's just really, really cool. You know, I like to spice up my fashion sense once in a while. Yeah, so rawr. You've got to have some closet basics, so this is just an exercise shirt that I have. You've got to have your basic white tee, crop it, make it long, however. This is a show hoodie, so when I was involved in musicals, we get like show hoodies, and this was just a Pillowman, and it's really nice. Usually, yeah, okay. This is a really nice crop top that I got from Primark. It's embroidered and it looks really lacy, and you usually wear it on top of a black slink dress. Another wardrobe essential is a black turtleneck or perhaps a gray long sleeve shirt. You can wear this under a black or white t-shirt. It works fine. That's just my basic closet stuff that I usually wear, t-shirts and tops. I know it may seem like not a lot, but man, trying on all of those clothes, oh boy. This is just me like, you know, folding some clothes so I could look at all the tops on my bed and then just pick out stuff that I want to donate or get rid of. This is the Marie Kondo method. You've got to take all of your clothes and just stare at them so that you know how many tops you actually have. And it kind of worked. I got rid of some. So these are the dresses that I have in the UK. Very good for layering. This is the beautiful flare jeans that I have. These are the straight cut jeans that I have. You've got to have a straight cut in your wardrobe. Or perhaps some mom jeans, you know, just get that on. Sweatpants, woohoo, gray sweatpants for quarantine. Or perhaps you want to be a drama student or a ballet student and you just need a good pair of leggings. I got these from Primark. They're really cheap. This my mom got me from Taobao. It's this beautiful embroidered flower Chinese design and it's very elegant. I feel very comfortable in these. This pair is from my friend Cassie who was leaving, so she gave me some of her wardrobe pieces. It's very interesting. So yeah, that's all I've got to say. I am obsessed with this skirt. Cassie also gave it to me. I feel like this is like a new girl meets preschool teacher vibe. Woohoo. This is also Cassie's. I can't really fit in them. I've never worn white jeans before because I'm always scared they make me look too fat. But these actually fit quite nicely. These cargo pants are from Urban Outfitters and I would wear them with one of my edgier pieces or when I'm dancing. Yeah, they just make me feel powerful. This flare pants thingy is from Uniqlo. My mom, actually my grandma got it for me and she was like, you need this staple in your life. This is also from Taobao. My mom got it for me. I've got many compliments on this. It's very flattering, just some office pants. This is also from Taobao. It is a beautiful floral skirt. Oh my gosh, long skirt that I usually pair with just, you know, a blazer or this beautiful cardigan which my godmom got me, and they make a very nice fit. Onto my jackets. This my aunt got me from Hong Kong. It's very, very soft and fluffy. This is just a velvet hoodie that I have no idea what the embroidery says. This is my Warwick University hoodie. Every girl needs a denim jacket, and this is actually Cassie's. What up, Cassie? Thank you for giving me your wardrobe. This is also from Urban Outfitters, and it's just a vest, but the pocket really, really helps me put my cards and stuff. Oh my gosh, I thrifted this from Paris, in Paris, I apologize, and it's beautiful. It reminds me of Romanian design, and I love the autumnal colors that fits perfectly with fall. This is my weave jacket. It's very fluffy and it makes me feel very warm inside. This blazer is from my mom's. It's very British. I can have tea with the queen. And this is from my godmom, as I mentioned. A very nice cardigan with thick pockets. This belongs to my flatmate Tia, and she just gave it to me, and it's very nice. This I actually bought from Seoul, Korea, and I like to pair them with these flare office pants. I've got many compliments on it. It's a very girl, feminine vibe. This is another show hoodie. I just absolutely adore the color. And this is a sweatshirt I always wear from H&M. This my godmom gave to me. It's very light and it's a down jacket. Every girl needs a leather jacket in her wardrobe. I love this one because it has many pockets. It has, I think, 3, and it's actually quite warm. This I got from Forever 21 in Malaysia. I have no idea how to style this because this gets crinkled a lot. This is also a jacket that my godmom gave to me. It has many pockets. I feel like a soccer mom when I wear this. I love it. It gives me a very thick and heavy fit. This is my Charles Dickens long trench coat thing. It's also like loungewear. And this is just a jacket that I wear when I go for sports. This is the only heavy winter jacket that I have, and it's beautiful because it goes full length, so it covers my legs and it makes me feel very warm. And finally, I have my dressing gown. Woo! This is also from Primark. So there you have it, folks. That is basically my entire wardrobe. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm not sure if you can take away anything from it. I was supposed to get rid of clothes. Did I? Of course not. I didn't get rid of anything. I think I only got rid of like 3 things, but now comes the packing. Oh my gosh, it may seem like I don't have many clothes, but boys and girls trying to pack winter clothes. Oh my goodness, what a struggle. I had to use like these vacuum packs, and they kind of helped, they kind of didn't, but yes, I hate packing, especially when I know that I have so many clothes that I have to give away, but I don't actually want to. Yeah, learn to let go, Isabel. Oh my gosh, look at my room. Stress. I'm so glad I've done packing now. But yes, I've packed all my winter clothes, which wasn't a good idea because it's winter now and I should have at least kept like 1 or 2 jackets, but I didn't. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in the next one. So just enjoy this lovely montage. Bye! Log out.
Jeans and a pocket full